Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the polishing pads from Temu or Temu or Temu or whoever pronounces it, whatever. The orange and the white ones are the hard pads, and the yellow, black and blue ones are kind of like the softer ones. So I decided to use the orange and the yellow. On this occasion, I'm going to try it with a rotary machine. I never used the rotary, so this will be a very first time. We'll see what will be the end result. Let's roll. Okay, boys and girls, these were the polishing pads from Temu or whatever. I used two and two of the hard ones, two of the soft ones. The hard ones work nicely, they are still intact in one piece. However, the soft ones, this one, it lost the pattern on it, more or less. It became like flat. And the other soft one, the Velcro part, just well, it just dislocated. It came off, peeled off. I used the machine on the lowest speed, so there was not that much of a heat, so I'm not sure what was it exactly. Would I recommend these kind of pads? I would say not for proper work. If you are just practicing, you never polished, and you don't want to kill some expensive pads, then I would say, yeah, go for it for practice. But then if you want to do some, let's say, proper job, then go for some proper pads. Otherwise, until the pads were working and had the shape and the Velcro didn't come off, they were working okay. Hopefully you will see it on the 50-50. I could see it with my eyes, not sure how much is it going to be visible in the video. Anywho, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.